Man, Jay's been working. It's been about a month since you had your first sport race, right?
Yeah.
Where are you rated right now?
I'm an A&S.
Ooh, that boy is doing it. So guess what that means?
I can race with you now?
Yes, sir. Manufacturers Cup is coming up. That puts you in GT1 League. Look at that. Look at that. GT1 League. Driver rating A. Go ahead and lock yourself in. You know what I'm saying? What are we driving with? I'll drive with whatever you drive with.
I'm going to do Porsche because...
There you go. Sign your first contract, kid.
Yep.
You are signed driver contracted with Porsche. This is about to be your first Manufacturers Cup.
Yeah.
You worked hard. You learned a good amount. So now...
I learned a lot.
You are going to be driving against the best in Gran Turismo in GT1 League. And you're going to be driving with your old pops.
Finally.
You know what I mean? Yeah, so let me jump on here. Oh, let me collect my monies. Yeah, go. Go things. Get that bread. We're going to sign up for Porsche GT1 League. This is going to be a challenge, but this should be great. This should be dope. We're signing with Porsche just like Jalen. There we go. Sign that contract, kid. All right, we've now signed with Porsche. We will be Porscheing it for the Manufacturers Cup here in March. We get to run with Jalen, so that's going to be a sick situation.
Chasing shit, nigga. Chasing that money down like that shit stole something. 1,000 nights, let's get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter.
Alright, so here we go with the full-on practice lap. This is before we get into lobbies that allow us to do qualifying. With the World Series Cups, you just do qualifying in the race. So it kind of really does not matter what you think you can do. It matters at that moment once qualifying goes live. So for me and Jalen, since we like to press, we wanted to see what our fastest pace was. This is the practice lap to show me what my fastest pace I can do flat out. I produced a 149.192, then I produced a 149.164, and then I looked at both of those replays, the usage of track, to see if there was some mistakes, and saw that I was pretty much chilling, didn't really use all of the track as I wanted to, and there's 2 or 3 places that I'd be able to make up time at. So I felt like if I needed to, I got a 148 pace. But with that 148 pace, how far would that be up on my limit? How far would I be pushing? Would I be able to sustain that for multiple laps? Would I just be able to do that once? I know for a fact I could do lap after lap after lap after lap in a 149. When I get down to that really close to 148, that's when I'm really pushing a little bit, but I'm still kind of comfortable. So I was able to know where I was at with that. And this right here is the lap that dialed in that I got put onto the boards with.
Like 20 million, I been getting lazy. Having a threesome on that track, this shit been getting crazy. And she gon' drown you in that water, cause this shit too wavy. Oh yeah. How many times I gotta win? The van father, y'all, I am him. I don't break, I don't fold, I don't bend. Indoor, outdoor pool, but I don't swim. Outside, diamond shit above the rim. Sideline, VS stones, jump out the gym. Only twin, turbos on the bins when we swear those.
So as we're waiting for the lobby to open up, because again, this is an officially ranked Gran Turismo sport sanctioned event, splits everybody up in regions, states, etc., etc. Jalen and I, this is how we practice. We spar. These kind of laps, they're meant for us to push our pace, but it's meant for us to also take the passes, try to bully, try to outrun. This is what we try to do. So on each of these laps, we're going flat out. But if I take his spot or his position, you kind of got to drive clean, because the whole thing is to drive fast and clean. So we both can get into the 149s. Jalen did a 149.60, something like that, whereas I do a 149.1. That's still really close. I can run away from him. But if somebody keeps taking your position, you may not run your fastest lap, your personal best. So what this is just race pace practice. And as I said, I'm looking for the opportunity to pass him at every time, the same thing that he does. So this is more like a sparring session, which I try to pressure him, get in his head. He tries to do the same, which it really works out, because believe it or not, you know, our goal is to drive clean, but my goal to train him is to apply pressure so that nothing makes him sweat. If other drivers around him are trying to drive really clean, he has no problem with that, but they can't pressure him or intimidate him anywhere, because I do all that in these types of practice sessions. Him being glued to me is pretty dope, because at this point, you see that takeover, he goes and dives in anytime he sees he has the opportunity. Car feels good, he goes for it. So our race pace doing this is low 150s. So it's like 150.1, 150.2. I feel like this is just an assumption, because the race hasn't started yet and we don't know who we're going to be matched up with. We really want to be in the same lobby, but I feel like a 150 is going to be a good pace for us. And as long as we can break out and do 49 somewhere, that should be okay. So as we continue to wait for this lobby to open, we just ran lap after lap after lap, and it was a 10-lap warm-up session, but then the lobby finally opened up. Where you at? Are we in the same group?
I don't think we're in the same lobby. No, we're not.
Get.
So it's probably because you A plus or something.
No, I'm not A plus, but it's all good.
No, you're not.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Good luck. Have a
Yes,
solid
sir. You
race.
too. There's about. Oh, am I starting in the back of the pack?
It's all good.
Oh no, qualifiers.
Lock in.
Qualifiers.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah, I am.
Lock in.
Okay, yeah, this should be a 49. 49. All right, cool. 49.8.
Good deal. Good deal.
Oh, that put me second.
Good. Just have a relaxing, cool race, man.
What was your time?
49.6. It puts me first place.
Definitely put a lot of time and effort into this intro for this manufacturer cup.
Mm-hmm.
The Porsche, the NSX, the Genesis, Lambo, all the GT3 cars, a lot of them.
I'm gonna keep it way funky for y'all. The race didn't have any excitement. I was in the lead. Jalen only had one car to pass, so I'm gonna keep it funky for y'all and just show y'all the exciting parts. Jalen does this to me all the time. It's a classic block pass. He took the dude deep and
yeah,
kept
buddy.
him out. Dude didn't run off the track, but Jalen just cleared all of his speed from him. He does that a lot to me, so that's a tactic that he already had in the arsenal. Pretty much ran away after that.
Shit,
Live
I got a battle on my hands.
Go ahead, take care of that, my good sir. I only got 2 more laps.
Good deal. Yep, I'm on
Lock
10.
in.
Yes, sir.
So this is funny. I'm watching the guy in the mirrors, and again, Jalen takes every swipe at me that he can. So as this dude is sitting back here, I'm watching him, and I'm starting to reel him in to get him a little closer. We had 2 laps left to battle. This spot right here is very critical. Jalen goes for the inside pass, and this dude looked like he was about to do it. I slowed him all the way down, and I accelerated out of this corner. But there was 2 opportunities for him, because right here, he could have slingshotted inside, but I left it open to see if he was going to do it because I'd have the inside on this right-hand turn. He got unsettled, and he runs into the wall. I did notice that in my mirror, but I just played it cool and just focused ahead. Because really, there's not much I can do. I just got to keep running from this guy and keep defending.
Oh, he got a penalty. That's all she wrote.
This y'all on your last lap, or 'cause I'm on my 9th right now.
Yeah, I'm on my 9th, coming to 10th.
Okay. So yeah, okay, so you're okay. Stay locked in.
Yes,
Anything
sir.
can happen.
Absolutely. All right, final lap.
Yep, alright. Clearing through S now. Now I just go through the tunnel and it's over.
Oh my God, 1-1.
What you mean, Lavin?
We won. He won that shit.
Yeah.
Hey, we both got the win.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Fire.
sir. Yes, sir.
That is so fucking fire. Good job. Welcome to the world of Gran Turismo's competitive racing, sir.
It was
The
interesting.
cool part about this is Jalen just getting started. And for me, this is firing me back up to be better. I have to stay good because I got this little dude challenging me at every turn. The cool thing is I'm sharing like my enjoyment, my love for this hobby, sim racing, with my son, and my son is really good at it. Now, we continue on, see where we land, or do we take it to real life? Let's see where this goes.